Okay, so I'll show you guys around our room here. We did get a discount on it because we're actually looking after their 2 cats. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you around the apartment that we're staying here in Warsaw, Poland. So we've actually been staying here for 2 weeks, and it's located about a 20 to 30 minute drive away from Warsaw City. Luckily for us, there's a train station right up the road 2 minutes away from where we're staying, and it costs about $1.80 USD return. There's a security guard here, so you have to use your security key to get in. So let's go. Okay. So they do have really good security here, so you have to type in your room number and key, and then you're good to go. Okay, so I'll show you guys through our room now. So this is the living room, and as you can see, we have a sofa bed over here. Now it's quite common from what we've seen in Ukraine and Poland for the Airbnbs to have sofa beds, and actually the sofa beds have been quite comfortable. So yeah, as you can see, this is the main room. I'll show you guys around. Over here we have a wardrobe. It's a big mirror that we've got, which has been quite nice. And there's a lot of storage. So yeah, we've been putting all our things away in here, but we're just about to leave tomorrow, so everything's packed away. And then we have more storage over here. The place that we're staying at, the owners actually live in this home, so we did get a discount on it because we're actually looking after their 2 cats. So we're getting this Airbnb for $15 US a night. For our 2-week stay here, it cost us $210 US. Seeing as this is an Airbnb stay, everything is included in the price, so water, power, and the internet. That is a really good price for Warsaw, Poland. And do keep in mind again that we are staying a bit out of the town, and we're also looking after 2 little cats. So that did bring the price down a lot for us. But on average, we were finding the Airbnbs in central Warsaw to range from about $30 to $40 US per night. So yeah, not as cheap as this, but maybe you could get some a little bit cheaper, but definitely around that $30 to $40 price range. As you'll notice, we don't actually have any aircon in the room, and this is because it's actually been quite cool for our stay here in Warsaw. We've noticed that the weather is not too hot. So out here we've got the deck, and as you can see, the sun is setting right now. It's really gorgeous. And it's actually a really nice, quiet little neighborhood here. There's a church right there. There's a little park over there. It's quite a local neighborhood, so you really feel like you're in the real Warsaw. So over here we have the TV, which we have been hooking our Chromecast up to, which we usually do. And we've got a coffee table here, which we've been working from most of the time. Oh, they're playing right now. And since we are looking after cats, we've had to play with them each day just to keep them active, since they are apartment cats and they don't really get out during the day, apart from on the deck. So we also had to feed the cats 3 times a day, which was part of our responsibilities, obviously, since we chose to look after an Airbnb with cats. And yeah, so this is the kitchen. The kitchen's nice and clean. And they had really nice utilities in the kitchen, which makes your Airbnb so much more enjoyable when you have nice knives and chopping boards and just like real things. Sometimes you'll find at Airbnbs that the knives aren't very sharp, so it's been really nice staying here, having even a coffee machine. So Carlos has been making the most of that. And yeah, it's got everything you'd need, plates and a blender and cups and wine glasses. Another awesome thing to note here is that the water is drinkable in Poland. Like, coming from Southeast Asia and even Ukraine, it's such a luxury to drink from the tap. So we were so happy to come to Poland and not have to buy bottled water. They've got a nice large fridge. So in here we've got the bathroom. So this is the basin, and we have a mirror. Got really good lighting in the bathroom. We have a shower and a bathtub. So again, it's like the shower that we had in Ukraine, where they don't actually have a hook for the shower head, so you do have to hold it when you're having your showers. But this hasn't seemed to bother us at all. And then we have a toilet And then we have a washing machine, which is really handy to have, especially in Europe. If you are staying in Warsaw, I would recommend to get a washing machine at your apartment so that you don't have to look for a laundromat. And then we have a towel rack, and we have a washing line, which is really nice because it's indoors, so we don't have to worry about washing on a rainy day. So I'll show you guys next the Wi-Fi speed, since that's really important as a digital nomad. So I'm using the Ookla speed test, and I'll show you guys the Wi-Fi speeds here. And just to let you guys know, we've had really good Wi-Fi since we've been in Warsaw. We did stay at one accommodation before this, so this is our second accommodation here. So yeah, wow, 76.8 download, that is really fast, and 10.4 upload. Really, really good Wi-Fi speeds here. I also wanted to show you guys the apartment that we rented for a week in Warsaw City, which was actually our first apartment here. This was also an Airbnb stay, and I must say this was one of our favourite Airbnbs since we have been in Europe. The host really went all out and had great amenities and instructions for the apartment. Although small, it was very homely, containing a double bedroom, private bathroom and kitchen. Wi-Fi speeds were really good, and we were also a 10-minute walk away from the city centre, costing a total of $28 per night and $196 for the week. Lastly, I wanted to give you a quick tour of our Krakow apartment because this was also another one of our favourites. This was a 2-bedroom apartment containing 1 double and 1 single bedroom, a lounge, a kitchen, a private bathroom and a small deck. The apartment was very cosy and was just a short 20-minute bus ride away from the city centre. Staying here was $20 per night or $140 for the week. Now again, seeing as both of these were Airbnb stays, water, power and internet were all included in the price. If you wanted to check out any of the Airbnbs discussed in this vlog, I will link them in the description below for you. And I also have an Airbnb discount that gives you $33 credit. By using this link, you also give me Airbnb credits and support this channel. I would also really like to thank all the people who have used my Airbnb link thus far. It has helped me greatly and I really do appreciate it. If you would like to see more videos like this, click the playlist above that links you to all my videos so you can binge watch my channel. Or click on the other playlist to see all of my Poland videos. Morning guys, so we are leaving Warsaw today. So the bus station is not really what we expected it to be like. Oh,